Hello friends. So today I am going to show you how to find duplicate values in a Excel sheet, and also I want to show the conditional formatting on uh, on a particular column. Okay, so first let's see to find the duplicate value in a column. So here in this Excel sheet I have order ID column. So just select this order ID column. So first of all, you see all order ID are unique. So AU20151, AU20152, AU20153. So basically, there is no duplicate value. Just check once. So all are defined values. So we won't find any duplicate values in this column. But let's try doing finding that duplicate values. So for finding duplicate values, I will go to conditional formatting and then highlight cell values. Then here you will find duplicate value option. So I am clicking on this format cells that contain duplicate values. So here values with light red fill and dark red text. So this particular cell will be filled with red color, and the text will be written in a dark red color. So now I am clicking on OK. So there is no change because in this column there is no duplicate value. So let's see where we can find some duplicate value. So just check sheet date. So this is date column. So I'm going to select duplicate values on this duplicate red color. The same thing we can select other option also, green fill with dark green text. Okay. So here you see we are getting green fill with dark green text. So that means every values in this column are duplicate. Let's see this. I'm just copying and then I'm searching this value. So 11 17 2015. So first value 11 17 2015. Check this is row number 2. See, in 886 row also there is 11 17 2017 value is there. Also 1947 row is having 11 17 2015 values are there. So likewise all the values of this date column are duplicate. So that's why it is getting this color. Okay. So this is for duplicate values. Now I want to see one thing, conditional formatting on profit column. So this is the profit column. So here you see we have profit of $46 and then profit of $112, profit of $31, and like this. So mostly within 200 all the values are there, within 200 and less than 50. So we are just dividing these values, profit values, in three section. Like I want to see which profits are greater than $100 and which profit are less than $50, and which rows are having profit between 50 to $100. So we need to first select the column, then go to conditional formatting again, and then select icon set. So icon set we are selecting, or colors scale also we can select, data bar also we can select, but I prefer icon set. So just select this icon set, because what I am telling. Okay, first select this. So here it is showing this icon set, but it is showing as per its default rule. So I want to change the rule. So manage, go to manage rule. Now select on this icon. So here you see this icon set are displayed depending on the percentage. But as I mentioned, I want to see values having more than 100 and values having less than 50. So I want to select the number, not percentage. So select the type as number, and then green color, green arrow, up arrow for values greater than is equal to 100, and horizontal icon is greater than is equal to 50, and Excel is taking by default down arrow, red down arrow for less than 50 dollar. So I am clicking on OK and then apply, then press OK. So here you see less than 50, that is 46, is down arrow, 112 is green up arrow, 31 is again less than 50, so down red arrow, and here you see 54, that is within 50 and 100 range, so that's why it is showing yellow horizontal arrow. So in this way we can select the means we can categorize the profit for this. So this tutorial is finishing here. If you like this video, please click on like button and also subscribe, so that you can get to know all the notification when I am uploading anything on Excel tricks. And also you can comment, so if you want to know any Excel trick. Thank you.